Do this one real quick. All right, time to get back on the pontoon. This seat in. So it may not look like it. All these covers are different. So we've got to mark all of these. So that's gonna be fun. Floor looks good. I didn't film laying it because Jake did it. I'm proud of him. Here's one of the backs patterned out. A lot of pieces for a small cushion. Doesn't sound good. It's not slipping out.
Move a 1/16 of an inch. It might move more. If I push up on this way, you pull.
Man, you can't even film under here. It's
3 inches.
down to where we need it.
Oh, shoot. Found it.
Yep.
Yeah, we can get to everything right here.
That's crazy.
If we find those 3, then I can find the rest of them.
Well, let's drill up through the floor and then try our best to line it up. So this is what it looks like cut out. Okay, you ready? We were in the find out stage on the this pedestal. Luckily, we figured it out.
Yeah, that's perfect. It's on the hose. It's on all of them.
Awesome. Now let's get out of here. Ready? Whee! Go on this side first, and then it'll sew to this part. I get the headrest, and you can see the marks lining up. Kind of go down in there. You'll staple this part right here, and it'll create like a little pocket all the way around. So I'm hoping that's gonna look good. I don't know. We'll see. There it is. Honestly, don't know how this is gonna turn out, so let's staple it on and find out. Center down. Kind of slide it in here like a cushion. This is what I got. Curve this corner first and then that corner. Just kind of going to pull all this tight. Yeah, I like it. To go over that, but you can get up there. Okay. It's exactly what you need on a nice hot summer's day.
There.
Yeah. Send all the way. Let's get the sun deck up there. Yeah, no.
Man, every time we do that, I almost pass out. There it is. All right, pick that.
We have cloud competitions. Who can find the best cloud? I found the best one. So, hate that for everybody else. Make yourself miserable all the time, and you'll be all right. And
so that way, when you do finally get like 1 day of relaxation, it hits different.
Yeah. Except for me, when I get a day of relaxation, I feel like I'm wasting time. Get severe depression. So I just have to constantly keep going.
All right, let's see. How deep I can breathe.
Wow. Small backs and bottoms done. Let's install them. You's all doubted me. Nah, I'm just kidding. But got all the seats installed, and it's looking just like I pictured it. Man, and it's like scorching hot out here. But yep, I am very, very pleased with how this one turned out. Get this console cleaned up, it'll be like a new boat. We're not done yet. We still have to do the bimini down there, but I'll do that tomorrow, and then we'll show off the finished product.